Conversation 11, what's a grant? My daughter is going to college.
That's great, but it must be expensive.
Yes, but she has a grant.
A grant. What's a grant?
The government is giving her money.
To pay for her education.
That's right.
Does it pay for everything?
No, she has a loan, too.
What's the difference between a loan and a grant?
You have to pay back a loan. A grant is a gift.
Conversation 12. I'm busy on Friday. Would you like to go to a pop concert?
Well, I'd like to, but when is it?
On Friday evening.
What a pity. I'm busy on Friday.
Maybe you could change your plans. It's going to be a really great concert.
Maybe I will. I wouldn't want to miss it.
Great. I'll see you Friday.
Conversation 13, bless you. Achoo.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Do you have a cold?
Yes, that's why I'm sneezing so much.
I hope you feel better soon.
I get a bad cold every winter.
Are you taking anything for your cold?
I'm taking Contact.
Does it help?
Yes, but it makes me sleepy.
You'd better not drive then.
Conversation 14, I don't feel well. What are you looking for?
My jacket. I'm going to the doctor.
Why? What's the problem?
I'm not sure, but I don't feel well.
Do you have a fever?
No, but I have a pain in my chest.
What time is your appointment?
11:30. I'm going now. Bye.
Goodbye. I hope it's nothing serious.
Thanks. See you.
Conversation 15, can you help me?
Can you help me, officer?
I'll try. What's the problem?
I can't get into my car.
Where are your keys?
They're in the car.
Don't worry. I can open it.
How can you do that?
With a coat hanger. It's easy.
Where can we get a coat hanger?
There's one in the police car. Wait here.
Thanks a lot. You're very kind.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dance Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.